Hey fabulous people, welcome back to my channel, Naturally Fab Me. In today's video, I'm showing you how I achieved this bomb twist out. So if you're interested in watching, please stick around. But before we get into the video, I do need you to do me a favor. I need you to tap the bell notifications, and if you're not part of the Fab family, then you need to just go ahead and subscribe and join us. All right, y'all, let's get into the video. All right, so I'm starting off on freshly washed hair, and before I always do my twist outs or any style, I always like to part how I want my hair to be shaped. So this rat tail comb helps me with my parting because y'all, I am terrible at parting. Once I finish the parting, I go ahead and break it off into sections. Now these sections are not even at all. They're basically broken up into sections as far as how I'm going to style my hair. So this section is a little bit smaller. I'm going to work in my back section first, and I'm going to break this back section into smaller sections. Now, for the star of the show, today I'm going to be using Jackies Ice Curls Glossy Curling Jelly, and this is my first time using this. Y'all, I love the way the consistency of the gel is, and y'all, it smells amazing. I'm going to go ahead and apply the jelly on the ends first, and then I'm going to work my way up. And I'm also going to be using my Denman brush to make sure that the product is raked thoroughly throughout the hair strands. I'm really impressed on how this jelly is making my hair feel like wow. This jelly is enriched with almond oil, and it also has marshmallow root. So it smells really, really good, and it feels good too. It's very hydrating. It kind of reminds me of the my L organic gel that I tried a few months back, and it doesn't have that consistency like Eco Styler gel, no shade, but it just feels way better. I'm gonna go ahead and finish my twist out process, and I'm doing mini twists. I'm not really creating large sections, they're really small sections. And I also, at the end of my twist, I like to twirl it around my finger, kind of like a finger coil, to make sure that the curl is sealed. I am just amazed at how defining this jelly is. I will be trying a wash and go really, really soon with this jelly, so y'all stay tuned for that. Finally, I'm on the last twist. Y'all, this twist out seemed like it took forever, but I think it's because I really use really small sections. But anyway, I am done, and I'm gonna let this air dry overnight, so I'll see y'all in the morning. And I'm back. As promised, I'm gonna go ahead and take these twists down. I'm going to lightly coat my fingertips with oil so that way it can reduce or eliminate some of that frizz that I get whenever I take down. I'm gonna go ahead and start in the back. I try to be real gentle, y'all, but I get so excited because I was just looking at the definition. I was like, wow, this is so defining. I love a gel that can get these strands defined, but I really love when I can have a lot of volume and still have definition. So this gave me both. I'm gonna go ahead and gently separate them, and I usually just separate where they naturally separate. I am done with the separating process, and now I'm gonna just give this twist out a little fluff. And I like to, you know, take my hands and kind of fluff out at the root. And of course, I'm gonna bring out my pick because I feel like I needed more volume. Now, as you can see, or you'll be able to see in a few clips, this gave me so much definition, but I was very impressed with the volume as well. So when you can achieve both, y'all, that is a winning hair product. I am loving, loving, loving my results. Y'all let me know what y'all think in the comments. Y'all, I'm just like shook. I mean, shook. I also posted this picture on Instagram, and I guess everybody else was shook like me because this pic got over 800 likes If you're not following me on Instagram, then you should be. And yeah, make sure you're subscribed before you leave. Well, guys, I'll see you in my next video. Bye.